It's time for school. Dylan's excited.
Hooray! Hooray! It's a school day!
Yes, Dylan. Let's get ready. Be good.
Do you have your backpack, Dylan? Yes, I do. Do you have your pencil case? Yes, I do. And I have a pencil, crayons, scissors, and glue.
Now remember, Dylan, be good.
Yes, Mommy.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, Mrs. Cat.
Today, please paint a picture of your favorite place.
Ooh! Hooray! Yippee!
Do you have paper, Dylan?
Yes, I do.
Do you have paints?
Yes, I do.
Great. You can start.
This is fun. Look, Mimi, I have red paint here, and I have blue paint there. Oh, Dylan, you have red and blue paint everywhere. Remember, be good. Yes, Mimi. And look, Mimi, I have yellow paint here, and I have green paint there. Oh, Dylan, you have yellow and green paint everywhere. Remember, be good. Yes, Mimi. And look, Mimi, I have orange paint here, and I have pink paint there. Oh, Dylan, you have orange and pink paint everywhere. Remember, be good. Yes, Mimi.
Okay, everyone. It's time to stop. Show me your pictures, please. What a beautiful picture, Mimi. Well done.
And look at my picture, Mrs. Cat. It's the Ferris wheel.
Oh, it's fantastic, Dylan. Now wash your hands, please. Good boy.
You see, Mimi, I am good. Yes, Dylan, you are good. And your picture is fantastic, too.